Let's get into this AtomicWing challenge, y'all. I'm scared. Like,
I love hot shit. I'm sorry. I like stuff like this. I'm gonna grab the one with the most sauce on it. You know what I'm saying, man?
the most sauce. Okay, this one ain't really got none. Okay, you ready?
Y'all ready?
3, 2, 1.
Goddamn.
I ain't even been to mine. My tongue hurt.
I'm about to cry. They good though. That's the fucked up part. Like, my nose itching.
No, bro. No, bro. Big move!
Pray for our booty hole, y'all. Please.
Bro, this is hot.
Put the prayer hands in the comments, please.
Bro.
It's inside my mouth now. Damn. I got hiccups.
I can't do it. I can't do it. Can't do it.
I got hiccups now. Woo! Wow. I know, baby. I feel the same pain. I'm on my second one. So look, that shit on my fingers now.
There's not no milk. There's not no milk. There's not no milk.
She abandoned me, y'all. That's how I feel right now. I'm sorry. Mackenzie just expressing how I feel on the inside. Look, for y'all who told us to do this, stop. I don't think I did this shit. This is suicide. Do you want me to do the outro, baby? Huh? You want me to just do it? Look, if y'all enjoyed the video, like seeing us dying, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Please share the video. Hit us up on our social medias. We take video suggestions. It's the motherfucking Reed family. We out.